Personal finance is the science of managing your money. It covers how you earn, spend, save, and invest your resources over time. At its core, personal finance is about making choices that align your daily spending with your long-term life goals. A popular starting point is the 50-30-20 rule, which helps categorize your income into needs, wants, and future savings. These 4 pillars form the foundation of a healthy financial life. Mastering them allows you to gain control over your financial freedom. Saving is for stability and short-term needs, while investing is for long-term growth. Both are vital components of a balanced strategy. The power of compound interest shows why starting early is so important. Your money works harder the longer it stays invested. Remember that personal finance is personal. The right plan for you depends on your unique goals, income, and comfort with risk. Thanks for watching. Take it one step at a time and keep learning about how your money can work for you.